In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a linear trend line in Google Sheets to clearly see the direction of your data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. First, open your Google Sheet and select both your X and Y data columns, including the headers. Now, go to the Insert menu and click on Chart. Google Sheets will generate a chart automatically, but for best results, switch it to a scatter chart or a line chart. Next, double-click on the chart to open the chart editor. Go to the Customize tab, then click on Series. Scroll down and enable the trend line option. By default, Google Sheets applies a linear trend line, which is a straight line showing the overall direction of your data. This line is calculated as the best fit across all your data points. If your data is increasing, the line slopes upward. If it's decreasing, it slopes downward. You can also turn on the option to show the R-squared value to see how closely your data fits the trend. A value closer to 1 means a stronger relationship. And that's it. You've added a clean and professional linear trend line to your chart. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.